Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make local bean stew. This guide will walk you through creating a delicious and comforting meal right in your own kitchen. We will cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to simmering your stew to perfection. Get ready to enjoy a wholesome, homemade dish that is both satisfying and incredibly flavorful, perfect for any day of the week. Let's get started on this culinary journey together. Preparation is key to a great bean stew. Begin by soaking your dried beans for at least 8 hours or overnight to reduce cooking time and improve texture. Next, prepare your vegetables by finely chopping 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Don't forget to mince about 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. These aromatics form the flavorful base of your stew. Proper preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. After the eggs have finished cooking, it's crucial to stop the cooking process quickly. Immediately transfer the hot eggs from the pot into a large bowl filled with ice water. This sudden temperature change causes the egg white to contract, separating it from the shell. Allow the eggs to cool completely in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes or even longer for easier handling. Almost done. Once your beans are tender, it's time to adjust the flavors. Taste and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or more to your preference. For a burst of freshness, stir in a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley or cilantro just before serving. Ladle your delicious, hearty bean stew into bowls. It pairs wonderfully with warm, crusty bread or fluffy rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.